Hello everyone, Paul Rogers here. Today is January the 28th, 2018. We are looking at Ethereum to US dollar 4-hour chart. And since my last video, we did have a pretty clear breakout to the upside. I put 1,100 as kind of the benchmark for if Ethereum is going to have a breakout or not. And we definitely did. As you can see, price stalled there once, kind of kissing it. Retracing back down into the triangle, breaking out of the triangle, met a little bit of resistance in that area, and then continued higher. I also drew this line at 1,250 as a next spot where we're going to get some resistance. And fortunately, we did actually hit that spot, and as you can see, we did bounce. Now, I do think that the crypto markets will become bullish, so I do think Ethereum is going to reattempt to break past 1,250. I'm not sure when that's going to happen, but I do think it will happen, and I do expect price to head higher from here. It's just a matter of breaking this resistance. Once we break this resistance, there's not much stopping us until we get to new all-time highs. So that's very positive for Ethereum. Bitcoin did break out of its little triangle, but it's definitely still in the downtrend. As you can see, this is the downtrend right here. This is the 4-hour chart. I expect Bitcoin to float up and hit this trend channel right up here at the resistance side of this trend channel, and it's going to have a hard time breaking out of it, but I do think eventually it will. Now, while that's happening, I think a lot of other projects in the crypto sphere could hit all-time highs. So Bitcoin could be suffering, but Ethereum could be at new all-time highs. Other projects like Ethylene could be at new all-time highs. Co-vesting. And I want to make a video about something called Blockport. Blockport is very similar to co-vesting in some ways because it's social trading. But what's interesting about Blockport is that it's an actual exchange, and you'll be able to own your private keys on that exchange, so it's partly decentralized, which to me is amazing. Being able to control your private keys and be on a centralized exchange. So I will make a video about Blockport later today, and I'm currently right now having some buy orders on Ether Delta, trying to pick up some more Blockport. It did have a bit of a run. I purchased some Blockport a couple days ago, and yesterday it kind of jumped up 70–80%. It's pulling back a little bit, and I'm trying to pick up some more before it heads higher and more people discover Blockport. Anyhow, short video today. I will make a video about Blockport, maybe even a video comparing Blockport to co-vesting. Both very interesting projects, both have their strengths and weaknesses, and I think it would be an interesting comparison to compare those two. Oh, and I have some news. I will make a video about Ethylene because I made my very first loan request on Ethylene, and I want to share my experience with that. It was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed it, and it got funded within 12 hours. So it was a very positive experience for me. So anyhow, let me know if you have any other ideas for videos. But those two videos I think are something that I'm assuming my viewers would like to watch. Anyhow, go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe. Paul Rogers out.